This is a mystery and a story, and maybe my story. Morning side, the old man died, and no one cried. They simply turned away when he died. He left a table made full of no surprise, and with his hands he carved these words inside. For my children. Morning light, morning bright, I spend the night with these dreams that make me weep. Morning times, wash away these sadness from these eyes of mine, for I recall the words the old man sighed. For my children. And the legs were shaped with his hands, and the top was made out of oak, and the children sat around that great table, and they touched it with their laughter. Oh, and that was good. Morning side, an old man died, and no one cried. He surely died alone, and truth he said, for not a child would claim the gift he had. The words he carved became his sympathy,